I remember the first time I had to put windshield wipers on a car, and it was kind of a bit harder than I thought it was supposed to be. But it's actually pretty easy. Stick around. We'll put them on my Mini, and yeah, let's get her done. Yeah. Well, first thing, let's put these things in service mode, or whatever you call it. We'll flip them up. This is a great way to keep the windshield wipers from sticking to the window if you live in an environment where it gets frost or ice in the morning. You flip these things up, and when you come back in the morning, they're already unstuck. Let's take the windshield wiper. We'll pivot forward a little bit. Now you find there's a little tab right here to push down on. Push down that tab and push towards the base of the blade arm. You'll notice this whole thing starts sliding right off, and you can shimmy it on out. This is the little tab here we're looking at. Let's go back in reverse. You can see how the new one goes back on. Poke it through on this side here. Push it up tight and just slide it back up into that U. So I've got my new one ready to roll. Let's put it on. Pull the tab, push down. Sometimes you gotta wiggle it a little, it's all right. Pull that one off. Grab this one out of its new package, brand new. Let's see, it goes this way. Slide it up in there. If you need to push this down a little, it makes it easier sometimes. There we go. Well, from here it's pretty straightforward. Flip them back down and wash the water and all your worries away. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. Give me a thumbs up. We'll see you around.